Well, hello folks, welcome to another Tennis Elbow Manager 2 video. I am the Custard Prophet. In today's video we are going to be looking how to change the fake players in game for the real players, so the real name fix, if you will. So let's just explain what I mean by that. So let's just load up this game with the Mark Lemon, the well-known person, and we'll go into the rankings board, and if we go all the way to the top here, you'll see that you might almost recognize the names here. So this is Andy Murray, and it's spelt weird, Andy Murray, and basically it creates these unpronounceable names, which, you know, it's a bit interesting to try and say when you're recording an episode, but it does take a little bit of the gloss off the game. And so if you do want to put the real players in, there is a way to do that. So let's explore what we need to do. Mana Games, who are the developers of this wonderful game, they have a message board, and I'm going to link this page in, and what you need to do is to click on this top link, which will download essentially the modding SDK. Don't know what that means, but it downloads that for TEM2, and this is what you get, a zip file, and within your zip file you've got a whole bunch of stuff that you can potentially change. So change animation, change in court styles and things like that, but what you're looking for is in this folder here, the INI folder, and you want to basically copy the player names, ATP and WTA, so the men and women's tour, and players ATP, WTA. You want to copy those. I'm not sure if you need the text files, but I've done that anyway. So I've basically copied them over, and I have put them into this folder here. So how do you then put those in game? Well, it's dead easy. Go back to the main menu, and you come to settings, and in the profile settings up there, which I think is what you come to straight away normally, come down into the bottom left here, and you get to press show data folder. And so pressing show data folder brings you into this screen here, and you'll see a mod folder. Go into that. You won't have anything in there. Create another folder in there which can be called anything. I went with exactly what they did just to make sure it would work, so they called it My Supermod. Inside that, create a folder called INI, and inside that you can then put your copied folders or copied files. So these here are INI files, which are a sort of configuration style file. Go here, you can see that. So type of file INI. So you've got everything there. So I'm going to come out of the game now to load that up. So we've loaded it up again, and what you will see if I look to load another game now, you will see that actually they are all invalid. So it will invalidate any previous save file. Funnily enough, this one isn't, and I wonder whether that's because I've only just created that. But all these other ones are invalid. So hopefully if I go into this one, what you should see now, all the names now are changed to the names you will recognize as the top people in tennis. There we go. Easy as that. Obviously there is an issue here that I've invalidated all my save files. Don't worry about that. All I need to do to fix that is just remove those configuration files from the folder I've just put them in, and you'll be able to use your old saved games again. So this will just be for any new saved games that you might be wanting to run. Okay, that's all from me. That is the real name fix. I hope that was a useful video for you. Let me know in the comments if there are any other videos like this that you would like me to cover, any other areas in Tennis Elbow Manager 2 that you'd like me to cover. If there are, I've done a training tutorial, but if there are other areas within game that you'd like me to cover, because this, after all, this channel, although Football Manager is my main staple on this channel. Tennis Elbow Manager 2 is the second most played game on this channel, and there's been content from Tennis Elbow Manager for a couple, well, sort of coming up to a couple of years now. So it's, you know, this is where you want to come. So if you do like Tennis Elbow Manager 2, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.